Divine Nature friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be making homemade Play-Doh. So if it's your first time, please stop, comment, like, and subscribe. But this video won't be long, so let me just show you. Right here, I'm showing you the things that are needed. I have boiling water, measuring cups, a bowl, oil, flour, salt, and food coloring, right? So my son is helping me with this project. One item I did not have that you will probably want to get is called cream of tartar. So cream of tartar is basically something that you will use to help it last longer. In this section right here, we are measuring a half a cup of salt and putting it in our water. And we're just gonna mix the salt with our boiling hot water at this moment. He did such a great job pouring. And now you're gonna put your vegetable oil, which is 2 tablespoons of oil, into the water as well. And you're gonna mix it all together. You're trying to make sure all that oil out. Now we're gonna move on to the flour. He is being such a good helper. You need a little bit of mommy's help though. And right here, you're going to add, I believe it was 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Now keep in mind, when making Play-Doh, you are able, oh, I'm sorry. We use 2 cups of flour. Excuse my voice. Keep in mind when making Play-Doh, there are so many different recipes that you can use. This was just a simple, easy one that we went on and did. And it was so interesting because I used to make Play-Doh every week in my childcare. However, I have a younger group of kids at the moment, and so we don't make it as frequently. Now we're gonna move on to mixing our water, oil, and salt mixture into the flour. I do have to say, this is my first time actually doing the recipe in this what's the word I'm looking for, in this manner, I guess. I usually mix all of my dry ingredients together, and then I lastly add the oil and the water. So this was a little different, I do have to say, and as you can see, it's a little soupy. And this was late, and we were like, oh my goodness, is this really happening? I almost gave up and was like, we gotta quit. But even if you mess up, don't be afraid to add a little bit more flour. It's just Play-Doh. You're not trying to make a cake or anything like that. So right here, you see me just adding flour, I should say, to the dough to make it to where it's not so sticky. I do also think after doing this, realizing I think it just got that way because it was boiling hot water, so which was cooking it down, and it almost needed to like set for a while to kind of rise a little bit. But I just added more flour onto the table so we can mix more and it won't be super sticky on our hands. So in this next process, you will see us mix. This is also a process your child is able to help. My son is a little picky when it comes to super sticky stuff on his hands, so I did the first part and then he started to help me later. Now it's the fun part, adding all of your color. Of course, we're using food coloring. The more color you use, the more brighter it will be. Once again, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. We're gonna have lots of great content on this channel. Story times, projects, how to create activities for your kids to do, whether you have a childcare or not. And I just believe that sharing is caring. With making Play-Doh, it's a great learning opportunity as well. Like I said, I used to make it like every week when I had a lot of preschoolers, because there's measuring, it's hands-on, then whatever you guys are talking about for the month or so, you can create those things, letters, counting, all the above, language, it just so much. Everything is a learning lesson when you are teaching kids. And as you guys can see, the Play-Doh did not come out that bad. We were getting excited about mixing the colors, so we just kept adding to see what we can make, which is another lesson. This color and this color make what? Like I said, everything's a learning lesson.